This question is all about just grinding it out, doing the work, follow instructions. You'll get there eventually, okay? So the question itself tells us which program's ratio of its 2007 to 2010 budget, so 2007 to 2010, is closest to the human resources program's ratio of its 2007 budget to its 2010. So human resources is here, so 2007 to 2010. So that's just an instruction, right? I mean, it's literally saying a ratio. We know that ratios are fractions, so we should just do what they say. 4051050 divided by 5921379. And we can just do that in our calculators. 4051050 divided by 5921379. Big numbers, scary, but we get 0.68. And now we're just looking to see if any of the others do that. So choice A is the agricultural resources. And again, we're looking at these numbers, these columns here. So I'm just going to do it without even rewriting it. 373,904 divided by 488,106 is 0.766. So not that close. Let's keep going. B, education. 2164607 divided by 3008036 is 0.71 or 0.72. So getting closer, I guess. Highways and transportation, C, 1468482 divided by 1773893. Hopefully, you're starting to get bored of me just reading out numbers, but that just kind of proves my point, that this is really just about reading out numbers and entering things in your calculator and hoping for the best here. 464233, and that's 0.568. Okay. Maybe here's where the hard part comes in, right? Is we need to see which of these is closer. Now we can see that both B and D are on either side of the 0.68, so they're the closest to. One is bigger, one is smaller, so that's better than A and C, so those are gone. I think it's pretty obvious that choice B is closer, right? I mean, think of it just like the number 68 is closer to the number 72 than it is to 56. There's a bigger difference. And we could do the subtraction, but I think it's pretty obvious that B is the answer here. If you got this wrong, one reason I've seen people get it wrong is that they don't like that 0.72 is still not that close to 0.68, right? Like in their judgment, at least, it's not that close. And so what happens is they do A and B and C, and they don't get any numbers that they think are close, and so they just pick D without testing it, because they assume it's got to be the answer because all the others aren't even close. That's a bad assumption, as we see. Like, that would get us this question wrong. And I think that's a great idea for the SAT in general, is like, don't just assume that the one answer you've left is right if you haven't proven it. Like, it takes a second to prove that last answer if you've already proven the other three. The same process is going to apply. Just finish the job. Don't cut a corner, right? I mean, it could cost you 10 points, and every 10 points matters. So this is one, just grind away, do all the work, enter in the calculator, and you'll be fine. It's time consuming, but with patience, it's totally gettable.